Hi treasures, hi everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, here we have a sweetener. If you're running away from sugar, if you want something else to use as a sweetener without using the white sugar, then this video is for you. You can replace your white sugar with this healthy option or healthy version of sweetener made with dates. Yes, I used dates to make that. All I did was to deseed the date, as in remove the seeds from the dates, and then transfer into another bowl which can cover. Add some water to soak it. You're going to soak this for some hours or overnight. When soaking this, make sure to use clean drinkable water. Yes, because after soaking it, you're going to use the same water to blend it. I'm not going to change the water because by the time this thing stays for some hours, the sweetness in the dates gets into the water also. So that's why you have to use clean water, because if you discard the water, that means you're discarding part of the sweetness of the dates. I hope you understand that. After about 5 hours or more, the dates will be soft enough to be blended. You can see how soft it looks. And look at the color of the water we use in soaking it. Look at how brownish it has become. And if you test the water, it is also very sweet. That's why I told you we are not discarding the water. We are blending it with it. So next, we transfer this into the blender and they blend until very smooth. Time a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen sounds so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors. Then transfer it to a jar or an airtight container and store in your refrigerator. You're going to store this in the refrigerator because we are not using any preservative. And this can last in your refrigerator for at least 1 month. Yeah. And here we have our natural healthy sweetener. You can use this for any meal that calls for sugar, any food or meals that calls for sugar or honey. You can use date paste in place of it, in place of the sugar. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.